Welcome back to the EasyJobs tutorial. Today, we will explore EasyJobs career site templates and learn how to customize them. First, log into the EasyJobs account with your credentials. Then, click the View Company Page button to see your current career page. Let's change the appearance of the career page with EasyJobs templates. From the EasyJobs dashboard's left sidebar, click on the Settings menu. Then, navigate to the Personalized settings and click on the Template tab. Here, you will find a collection of ready-made career page templates to choose from. Click on the Preview button on one of the templates to check out how your career site will look with a new appearance. Click on the cross icon to close the preview window. Then click on the Select button of your chosen EasyJobs templates to make the change appear live on your career site. Let's take a look at how your updated career site appears now. This is how easily you can update your career site's appearance using EasyJobs templates to give it a fresh and professional look. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more EasyJobs tips and tutorials.